Solution to .htaccess file is missing after the installation of WordPress on Apache web server. Follow the given simple steps to create default WordPress .htaccess file. Step 1. Log into your cPanel. Step 2. Go to File Manager. Step 3. Open the public_HTML folder and create a new text file in the name .htaccess. Step 4. Right-click the .htaccess file and select the Edit option. Step 5. Copy and paste the below given code in the .htaccess file and click on Save Changes. Or download the code in the video description below. Step 6. You have now successfully created the default WordPress .htaccess file. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and comment.